Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing GMC's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.